Well, Cheryl, my patients who get started on CPAP always complain or worry whether the noise of the CPAP would keep their spouse awake. What's your experience has been?
My husband loves it. He thinks of it as white noise, like a fan.
Right.
And he told me just the other night that it doesn't bother him at all. In fact, he likes it.
Yeah, and he feels reassured that you are not going to stop breathing.
Yes.
So that way he sleeps better too.
Yeah, because we were without electricity for 3 days.
Right.
And he was worried because I quit sleeping at night, and he could tell.
Right.
So then whenever the electric came back on, it was reassuring. So I could use my CPAP again.
Great, great. And you love your CPAP and you have a nice t-shirt to prove
CPAP.
that.
Yeah, I do. See, I love my CPAP.
Great.